Hey, now we're hanging out with Michael here at WDT. We're talking about the welding program because you are a program director here. And so just tell us a little bit about what the program entails.
A welding program has two different options. It's 1-year diploma or 2-year associates.
Okay.
We cover all the 4 processes of welding, and we also offer a fabrication course in every single semester, which that is different from the other tech schools in the state. When you come to school here, we put out the best welders in the state, the best fabricators, and that's why we get a very good placement rate, 100% placement. And that's why they come here to hire students.
And if you walk down the halls, there's lots of these flags up, right?
Yes.
So, I mean, it's doing something.
Yes, yeah. Yes, we are very involved in the Skills USA program, statewide and national, and we do pretty well every year.
And I understand that students can also apply for the Build Dakota Scholarship.
Yes, it is all expenses paid for the most part, all your tuition, books, tools. The state is involved, but there's a lot of actual businesses around South Dakota who actually help fund the students' school needs. So the students walk out of here, everything paid for, and they have a guaranteed job for 3 years in the state.
So, like, if I'm a student thinking about what I want to go into in life, like what my profession's going to be, what jumps out at you as like, oh, it should be welding?
We get students come in who have 0 experience, never even touched a welder, who have had 4 years of high school welding. So it doesn't matter, just on their interest. The welding and fabrication field is so wide, so different, so many different directions that honestly anybody can do it if they want. So
if someone is interested in welding, maybe just a little bit even, can they come check it out?
Yes, everybody's always welcome because it's cool to see our labs, how clean they are, state of the art, kind of weldments we do, what kind of welding we do, and all the different type of fabrication stuff the students get to build here on campus.